The facts. Parking accidents are the number one cause of vehicle damage, which can cost lots of money. Now, although they do not cause any serious physical injury, they cause expenses that can cause lots of problems in the long run. Most car crashes reported happen due to a vehicle trying to overcome another. Today's tires are cylindrical, which is highly inconvenient for many reasons. For example, they are heavy, which makes the car's acceleration a lot less. They wear off quickly due to lots of friction with the road. They have not been changed in over a century, while all the other car parts have been altered or changed in many ways. The solution, this is my solution. The solution is a completely spherical tire, which is a huge upgrade from the old one. Reasons being is that it's lighter because it's hollow from the inside, which will account for a much higher acceleration, more surface area, which means a smoother ride, and more accurate turning and parking, making accidents less common. Now, in the last year alone, 206 people have been killed due to parking accidents, which is a crazy number and it can be avoided easily. Moreover, drivers will be able to overcome obstacles without changing the direction of the car body. Drivers will be able to park without changing the direction of the car. Weight distribution when turning will be a lot more even when turning because there is less weight on one side of the tires and the weight will be distributed equally along all the tires, which means the tires will have a longer lifespan. Moreover, more surface area, meaning the same rubber will not always be in contact with the road, which also accounts to less wear and tear, which is a huge problem for today's tires. Now this is a visual representation of how you can park. This is a car and this is the parking space. With the spherical cars, you can just slide right in. This is another visual representation of both the tires. The old one here and the new one. The new one will have a smoother ride, more accurate turns, more accurate parking, it will be lighter, and it will have better weight distribution. Now the only cons that I could find is that it's very hard to install and it needs a lot of time to start being produced. Relationship to Newton's law. Newton's second law states that acceleration is inversely proportional to mass. The tires will be hollow from the inside, hence lighter. The car will have a higher acceleration when applying the same force you normally would.